I know you want to go out and have sex and have fun, but 1 million sexually transmitted infections or STIs are acquired every day, and some are super sketchy. Hello, this is Dr. Teodora Elvira Wee. I am an STI physician and I'm passionate about preventing and controlling sexually transmitted infection. It isn't like before. The doctor gave you a shot or a pill and boom, you're on your way. Now, some infections are resistant to the medicines that we use to treat them. For example, have you heard about super gonorrhea? The only thing super about that is that it's super hard to treat. We used to have drugs like penicillin, tetracycline, and Cipro. But now, all of the 87 million gonorrhea cases each year are resistant to one or all of them. The very last effective drug we have is ceftriaxone, and it's also becoming less effective against gonorrhea. And that's it. Without new antibiotic, we have new easy treatment options. Go have fun, but be safe. Use a condom. Get tested regularly. If you think you have an STI, please don't self-medicate. See a healthcare professional that can give you the right medicine that will work.